Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Jaguar 420, a name that brings a classic British feel with a modern twist. Jaguar has always been a brand that stands for luxury, performance, and elegance, and the 2025 Jaguar 420 brings all of that in a sleek, updated package. This car is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation, designed for those who crave both power and prestige. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Jaguar 420 keeps the long, elegant lines that pay tribute to its classic predecessors while introducing a more aggressive front fascia. The grille is wider, bolder, and finished in a striking gloss black with chrome accents. Slim, laser LED headlamps with signature J-Blade daytime running lights give it a futuristic appearance, while the sculpted hood and subtle character lines down the side create a muscular yet refined stance. The car sits on 20-inch alloy wheels with a diamond-turned finish, giving it a strong road presence without being too flashy. From the rear, the quad exhaust tips and a redesigned LED tail lamp setup give it a bold identity that tells you this isn't just about looks, it means business. Step inside the Jaguar 420 and you're welcomed by a cabin that defines British luxury. The interior is a blend of fine leather, aluminum trim, and open-pore wood veneers. Everything feels rich to the touch, from the soft-touch dashboard to the perforated Windsor leather seats that come with both heating and cooling functions. The dashboard is minimalist yet functional, featuring a curved 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest Pivi Pro software. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come wireless as standard, and the built-in navigation is now faster and more intuitive. The digital instrument cluster is customizable and crisp, offering driving modes, navigation, and media information all at a glance. Comfort is at the heart of the new 420. The front seats come with 20-way power adjustment, memory settings, and even a massage function. Rear passengers aren't left out either. There's generous legroom and headroom thanks to the extended wheelbase, and rear seat climate control ensures everyone stays comfortable no matter the season. A panoramic sunroof brings in natural light and enhances the spacious feeling inside. Even the audio experience is top-notch, thanks to the 16-speaker Meridian sound system that fills the cabin with crisp highs and deep bass. Under the hood, the 2025 Jaguar 420 offers a choice of powertrains. The base model comes with a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mild hybrid assistance, delivering 395 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. It's smooth, responsive, and capable of doing 0 to 60 mph in just 5.1 seconds. For those wanting more punch, Jaguar also offers a supercharged V8 version producing 510 horsepower, which cuts that time down to an impressive 4.3 seconds. Both versions come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive as standard, ensuring that the car remains composed in all weather conditions. Handling is what you'd expect from a Jaguar, smooth yet agile. The adaptive suspension system works beautifully to absorb bumps while offering excellent cornering stability. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing it on a twisty road, the 420 feels planted and confident. Jaguar Drive Control lets you switch between Eco, Comfort, Dynamic, and Rain Ice Snow modes, adjusting throttle response, steering weight, and suspension settings to suit your driving mood. Jaguar has also made strides in improving fuel efficiency with the mild hybrid tech. The inline-six variant returns about 26 mpg combined, which is impressive for a luxury sedan with this much power. Safety and driver assistance are top-notch as well. The 420 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system as standard, making everyday driving easier and safer. Now coming to the pricing, the 2025 Jaguar 420 starts at around $69,000 for the base model, while the V8 performance variant can go up to $88,000 depending on your customization choices. It's not cheap, but it offers strong value when compared to German rivals like the BMW 5 Series or Audi A6, especially considering the design, features and performance you get. To wrap it all up, the 2025 Jaguar 420 is a bold return to form for Jaguar. It carries the legacy of its predecessors while embracing the future with high-end tech, luxurious interiors, and strong performance. If you're someone who wants to stand out in a crowd of typical executive sedans and craves something with character, this might just be the perfect car for you. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Jaguar 420. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.